Hello, I'm Derrick at Adobe Rock in Erta, Utah. We have a small rectangular space here by our sales office that we think will look great with a few stone planter boxes. So we're going to get started on that project this week, and I wanted to invite you along to see how it goes. We'll be using Belgard wall block to build the planter boxes, which we are proud to now stock and carry, along with all of Belgard's wide variety of hardscape products. Our first step was to adjust the sprinkler lines in this area, so our planter boxes would get water. We then brought in crushed rock to make a strong base. The most important part of this project is making sure that we have a good, well-compacted base. Many of the Belgard pavers can be used for roads or driveways, and compaction is vital for those. But even though this area will have very light foot traffic, we wanted to make sure it was compacted well. After the crushed rock is compacted, we used a thin layer of masonry sand to help us in setting the blocks. If compaction is the most important thing, the second most important thing is getting the bottom layer level and even. There's a few things that'll help you do that. One is a good straight edge, 2, obviously a level, 3, a mallet, and then 4 is that layer of sand. That layer of sand is going to let you adjust level to a minute detail. Step 1 of this process is to get the ground as level and as even as possible using your level and straight edge. Step 2 seems obvious, but you want to make sure you can plan a way to get that brick in without stepping on the perfect area you just prepared. Level is important, but more important than that is that the 2 bricks are perfectly even. The next layer will overlap the 2, and if there's any kind of teeter-tottering with my level, that next brick is not going to glue correctly. So I'm going to use my mallet to make some fine-tune adjustments to make sure those are perfectly flat together and the next brick slides in place just right. After the bottom layer is ready to go, we used XP polyurethane adhesive from our friends at Alliance Gator to secure the following layers of our planter boxes. Make sure that you use glue that is formulated for concrete block, and use your mallet to make adjustments to get each layer square and even. The glue will need time to cure, so we took that time to clean up our work area. Make sure to check the label on your glue to know how long you should let it sit. Once the glue was cured, we laid out our weed barrier and surrounded the new boxes with a custom mix of our Timpy Blue and Desert Rose gravel. After that, it was time for some of our premium topsoil and some roses from the local nursery. We're very happy with how this project turned out. As the roses grow, it's going to look even better. Thanks for watching our video. Check out our YouTube channel and subscribe for other fun and how-to videos. And let us know how we can help rock your world.